Hello and welcome back to another Direnza Performance video. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing a set of our lowering springs on this brand new Mini Cooper F66 John Cooper Works development car. The set we've decided to go with went with the front by 20mm and the rear by 15mm. Let's get these unboxed. Not only do Direnza Lowering Springs help improve the look of your car by creating a more sporty and aggressive stance, they also offer genuine performance benefits. By reducing your vehicle's ride height, you naturally lower the centre of gravity, helping to reduce body roll when cornering, as well as minimising both dive and squat under hard acceleration and braking. Combined with progressive spring rates, these springs are designed to be comfortable for everyday use, as well as providing sharp, responsive handling out on the racetrack. All of our Direnza Lowering Springs come with an anti-corrosive red coating, as well as a 5-year warranty for that extra peace of mind. So now we've got the springs installed, the red really pops out and matches the caliper perfectly. Let's throw the wheels back on, get it down and see how it looks. So as you can see, there's already been a difference to the car's ride height, and then once these springs have had time to settle in, it should sit just about perfect. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. What should we install next on our Mini Cooper F66 JCW? Let us know in the comments and be sure to follow Direnza Performance to see what's coming next.